Today I'll show you how I pack and ship this Medusa painting safely, which was part of a free giveaway I did in January 2025, and why I prefer flat envelopes over tubes even though it's a bit more expensive. I'll also share how I use my Munbyn thermal printer and pirate ship for an easy shipping process. I'm glad that it's going to a person that I really wanted it to go. I chose the winner by a YouTube comment picker, and yeah, this lady's won the painting, so I'll be packing it for her today. Okay, so first of all, there's the painting. I have a plastic sleeve. And these plastic sleeves are archival, so what that means is that it's not gonna damage the paper, because often what happens is that people will buy the paintings, but then it'll take time until they actually get it framed, and in which case, if you have the painting inside a normal plastic, it can deteriorate the paper over time. So it's better to have a non-archival sleeve. Okay, so that's done. And because this one is a bit big, I usually tape. So these are all the things that I typically use. I just love the clamped. People kind of make their own stickers, but I haven't particularly done that yet. So it's a bit dark, but oh well. Let me see how. Never mind. So I have these Clint's stickers. I tend to choose one that kind of goes with the painting, but in this case, nothing really kind of matches. So there. And then what I normally do is I get a twine, and then I'll get it to the size like this, 4 times that length right there, and then 2 times the length right here. Okay, that should do it. And then I think maybe I'll use this gray. Let's see. And then I sometimes use these wax to kind of stamp it just for fancy kind of thing, but like recently I don't quite do that, and when I do that, I typically have another roll of paper wrapped around. But yeah, I sometimes do it and I sometimes don't. I just think like this, once you have the plastic sleeve, it's not gonna get damaged, and I just kind of came to the point where I'm like, I don't need to do the next wrapping. I do want to keep things to a bare minimum in terms of waste. So, okay. 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's good enough. Okay, so here I go. So I got these 2 threads. I turn the painting over, and what I do is go like that, and then like this, and then I always get mixed up here. Okay, one had to go down, then one had to go through here. Getting confused with these new twine that I got. Okay, I think that looks right. Okay, and then I'll do a bow end. Okay, kind of try to move it a bit to the top. Okay, I think that's good. And sometimes, depending on the artwork, I will move this ribbon just so it kind of looks at the best place. Okay, and next I put my card on my postcard right there. Okay, so this is my card that I typically put together with my paintings. And as I don't have my business card yet, because I just created one and it's been delivered, I'm gonna add that. And basically, I use these big cardboard envelopes because they're sturdy and they wouldn't get bent. And I will put these inside and put the labels to get it sent overseas, and then take off the sleeve, and yeah, just pack it inside here, and that's pretty much it. I don't do anything else really, so yeah, so that's how it's gonna be like. quite simple. So labels, you access Pirate Ship, I'll have the link below, and then you create a single label. You enter all the shipping to information as well as adding the height, width, and all the dimensions. You click on get rates, and then it'll show you with the specific amount it'll cost, and then you click on buy label and you have it. You have the label now. So then you open the Munbyn app because that's the thermal printer that I got, and then you select files and import, and then files, and then you select the label, and then you select preview and print. And that's pretty much it. You've got your label printed and it's ready to be put on to the envelope you're shipping out. The reason to why I want to ship it flat is because I don't like to receive paintings when they're rolled, because you'll have to flatten it out. It's that simple. I just don't want that for my customers, so I send it out on a flat envelope. So hope you enjoy the video, and I will start getting to the post office.